evening, everyone. What a lovely crowd we have, and especially with Delay sir in presence of him. Beautiful smiles, beautiful energy, beautiful involvement, and we all have been waited for this Gurukul get together. Isn't it amazing? Cheers to everyone. Hip hip. Hip hip. Very nice. So let's begin. We are the anchors. My co-host Priyanka and myself Sindhuja. We are going to lead the show. Delay sir will be guiding us throughout the session. Okay? So Shri Swaminarayan Gurukul, the Yoga University. Let's raise hip hip. Let's start the session. So we will be having the Attam TTC certification ceremony along with the naturopathy ceremony, the certification ceremony, those who have completed the teacher training course from our Yoga University. Right? So moving ahead, we will be having a beautiful experience, beautiful performance by the young kids from Gurukul and also the teachers who are graduated from the Gurukul Yoga University. Then the members of the university will have their speeches, and then please sit back, relax, enjoy the show. Let's begin. जिस तरह से हम कोई भी अच्छी काम की शुरुआत एक प्रेयर के साथ करते हैं, इसके लिए मैं आमंत्रित करती हूँ सोनाली खेरना जी को to start with the prayer.
We have Rashmi Badurikar and Sonali Khairnar for the opening prayer of Ashtanga. Let's start. We can sit in comfortable position.
सभी आरामदायक स्थिति में बैठ जाएंगे. थोड़े से शोल्डर्स पीछे, आंखें बंद करेंगे. लंबी गहरी सांस अंदर भरते हैं. ओम सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै. ओम शांति शांति शांति. योगेन चित्तस्य पदेन वाचा मलं शरीरस्य च वैद्यकेन योगाकरोतं प्रवरं मुनीनां पतञ्जलिं प्राञ्जलिना नतोऽस्मि. पतञ्जलिं और प्रेयर के इफेक्ट को महसूस करेंगे. धीरे से आंखें खोलेंगे और रिलैक्स बैठ जाएंगे. स्वागतं स्वागतं नृत्यनाट्यकला रंग विविध विविध नृत्यनाट्यकला रंग विविध विविध प्रेम हरे स्वागत प्रेम हरे स्वागत या समयाला स्वागतं स्वागतं सुस्वागतं स्वागतं स्वागतं सुस्वागतं उदितमुदितमुदितपुलकितमं करिति स्वागतं 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 सुस्वागतं 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 सुस्वागतं
Thank you. That was amazing, Sonali and Rashmi. It was really beautiful, very warm and very cool to hear. Chalo. That then comes with a welcome song. Then moving ahead, we have a patriotic song by our very own Priyanka Srivastava, because today being a Republic Day, let's hear it from Priyanka.
Okay. I'm going to sing a Sanskrit song, Priyam Bharatam. It is our 72nd Republic Day. So, in honor of that, I'm singing this song. प्रकृत्या सुरम्यं विशालं प्रभावं सरितारहारिणि ललामं निकामं हिमाद्रि ललाटे पदे चैव सिन्धुः प्रियं भारतं तत् सदा दर्शनीयम् धनानां निधानां धरायां प्रधानम् इदं भारतं देवलोकेन तुल्यम् यशो यस्य शुभ्रं विदेशेषु गीतं प्रियं भारतं तत् सदा पूजनीयम् प्रियं भारतं तत् सदा पूजनीयम् अनेके प्रदेशा अनेके च वेशा अनेकानि रूपाणि भाषा अनेकः परैयत्र सर्वे वयं भारतीयः प्रियं भारतं तत् सदा रक्षणीयम् सुधीराजनाय गयन्तेषु वीरं शरीरर्पणेनापि रक्षन्ति देशम् स्वधर्मानुरक्तं सुशीलाश्रनाय प्रियं भारतं तत् सदा श्लाघनीयम् वयं भारतीयः स्वभूमिं नमामः परं धर्ममेकं सदा मानयामः यदर्थं धनं जीवनं चर्पयामः प्रियं भारतं तत् सदा वन्दनीयम् प्रियं भारतं तत् सदा वन्दनीयम् A great thanks to our country.
तालियां जोर से बजनी चाहिए, isn't it? पूरी बिल्डिंग में उसकी शोर आनी चाहिए. Yeah, because we are having a get together after a long time. You know, 1 year of lockdown. घर पे बैठकर full pack energy के साथ तालियां बजनी चाहिए. Please, what a lovely voice for Priyanka. Very beautiful. Thank you so much. So moving ahead, next we have Asan performance by our Santosh Verma. Can we have Santosh here on the stage, please?
Now she's in relaxation position. Halasana. Perfect position. A, B, C, D. Shirshasana. Perfectly done. finishing sequence now of Ashtanga. Beautifully done, Halasan. Karnaveer Asan. Matsyasana. Very well done, Santosh. Now I would like to invite Asan performance by Usha and Bhavisha.
यहाँ से आएगा सीन। ठीक है, चलिए वहाँ से
थोड़ा लंबे से लेना पड़ेगा।
अब जाके कहीं हमने सर मेरी ज़मीं अफसोस नहीं जो तेरे लिए स्वादर्द से महफूज रहे तेरी आन सदा चाहे जान मेरी रहे न रहे मेरी ज़मीं महबूब मेरी मेरी नस नस में तेरा इश्क बहे फीका न पड़े कभी रंग तेरा जिस्मों से निकल के खून कहे तेरी मिट्टी में खिल जावा गुल बन के मैं खिल जावा इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू तेरी नदियों में बह जावा तेरे खेतों में लहरावा इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू सरसों से भरे खलियान मेरे जहाँ झूम के भंगड़ा पा न सका आबाद रहे वो गाँव मेरा जहाँ मौत के वापस जा न सका ओ वतना में मेरी वतना में मेरा तेरा प्यार निराला था कुर्बान हुआ तेरी असमत पे मैं कितना नसीबों वाला था
पीछे कर दो हाँ बस
तेरी मिट्टी में मिल जावा गुल बन के मैं खिल जावा इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू तेरी नदियों में बह जावा तेरे खेतों में लहरावा इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू ओ हीर मेरी तू हंसती रहे तेरी आंख घड़ी भर नम ना हो मैं मरता था जिस मुखड़े पे कभी उसका उजाला कम ना हो ओ माई मेरी क्या फिक्र तुझे क्यों आंख से दरिया बहता है तू कहती थी तेरा चांद हूँ मैं और चांद हमेशा रहता है तेरी मिट्टी में मिल जावा गुल बन के मैं खिल जावा इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू तेरी नदियों में बह जावा तेरी फसलों में लहरावा इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू
Wow, that was a beautiful performance by Usha and Harisha. Warm, slow, rhythmic.
मैं पकड़ू थोड़ी देर मैं करूँ थोड़ी देर
Once you get the laugh hard for them, that was wonderful. Once, electric performance, energetic. Okay, now I would like to invite Madhavan for yoga asana performance. The little chant.
Good evening. My name is Madhavan Verma from Standard 2nd.
Warm welcome, beta. You can start. Parvatasana. Yeah. Wow, what a posture. Steadily held. Okay, now release. Supta Vajrasana. Gently lie down. Very good. Very good. Very nice posture. Breathe deep. Okay, come out of the posture. Now Chakrasana. We'll go into Chakrasana. Very good. Very nice. Steadily held. Holding his weight on his hands and legs. Okay. Release. Relax. Now Dhanurasana. Dhanurasana. Very nice. Now the awesome asana, tripod sheesh asana will be performing.
Tripod.
Okay. The headstand. Okay, well balanced, well balanced. Very nice. Steadily head. Slowly, you can release. Nice, awesome performance by Madhavan.
Very beautiful.
Thank you, beta. Thank you, very nice.
Let's not forget he's Santosh son. Like mother, like son. Please give a big round of applause for Madhavan. Very beautiful. Next performance we'll have by Rita. She's going to sing a song. रीटा की परफॉर्मेंस के बाद आप में से कोई ऑडियंस में कोई इंटरेस्टेड हो कि ऐसे लगे कि जोश देखकर कि मैं भी एक गाना गा दूं तो प्लीज कम फॉरवर्ड एनीवन संतोष एनीवन कैन कम आफ्टर रीटा प्लीज कम एंड स्टैंड इन फ्रंट सो दैट वी वोंट रन आउट ऑफ टाइम स्मृति श्रद्धा chorus song will also do. Anyone would like to sing, please come forward. Santosh.
चलिए आपकी ओल्ड मेमोरीज को वापस लेके आते हैं एक पुराना सॉन्ग आप लोगों के लिए जो शायद सबको पसंद आता है लग जा गले की फिर ये हंसी रात मुलाकात हो न हो, लग जा गले से, पास आए हम नहीं आएंगे बार, बारी गली में डाल के हम डोल ज़ार ज़ार, आँखों से फिर ये प्यार की बरसात हो न हो, शायद फिर सजन मुलाकात हो न हो, लग जा गले से। Thank you.
Very nice, wonderful, mesmerizing old memories. Okay, now I would like to invite Sanjay sir for his enlightening talk.
ओके, जिस तरह से अभी थोड़ा बहुत मेन एक जो इवेंट है वो बाकी है, उससे पहले हम कहते हैं ना लाइफ इज ऑल अबाउट B2D, मीन्स B2D, यस, लाइफ इज ऑल अबाउट बर्थ टू डेथ। तो B के D के बीच में आता है C, बराबर। सो लाइफ इज ऑल अबाउट C, मतलब C मतलब क्या होगा?
चॉइस।
दीदी ने यस, हम सुबह से लेकर रात तक किसके साथ जुड़ना है, सुबह अर्ली उठना है कि नहीं, योगा क्लास ज्वाइन करना है कि नहीं, मतलब इतनी सारी हमारी लाइफ में चॉइस आती है। और जो चॉइस हम सिलेक्ट करते हैं, पसंद करते हैं, आप देखना उसी हिसाब से आपकी एक लाइफ होती है। तो हम सभी बहुत नसीबदार हैं, मैं, दिलेश सर, आप सभी भी, क्योंकि आप सभी भी एक फैमिली का पार्ट हो, यानी कि श्री स्वामीनारायण गुरुकुल, कि जिनके कारण यहाँ पर कुछ हो रहा है। अगर ये श्री स्वामीनारायण भगवान का सपोर्ट, स्वामी जी का सपोर्ट नहीं होता तो मैं भी कुछ नहीं कर पाता, दिलेश भी सर भी कुछ नहीं कर पाता, और आप यहाँ पर आके कुछ नहीं कर पाते। उनका पूरा सपोर्ट जिसके कारण ये सेटअप है। तो स्पेशली स्वामी जी ने दिलेश सर को, सबको, जो स्पेशल हमारे ग्रेजुएट स्टूडेंट हैं, उनके लिए एक स्पेशल मैसेज भेजा है अहमदाबाद से। तो पहले हम वीडियो देखते हैं, ब्लेसिंग स्वामी जी के सुनते हैं, और उसके बाद में हम सर्टिफिकेट सेरेमनी होगी।
स्वामीनारायण गुरुकुल योग यूनिवर्सिटी के संचालक आदरणीय श्री संजय सिंह जी एवं आज प्रजासत्ताक दिन के पुनीत पर्व पर दीक्षांत समारोह में उपस्थित सभी भाई बहनें, संजय सिंह जी, आपको मेरा हृदय से धन्यवाद है। हमारा सदैव स्वप्न रहा है योग और अध्यात्म का प्रचार प्रसार। आपने उसको वास्तविकता में परिवर्तित करने के लिए सुंदर प्रयास किया है और गुरुकुल का गौरव बढ़ाया है। आप गुरुकुल के गौरववंत छात्र हैं। आज जब प्रथम दीक्षांत समारोह आयोजित हो रहा है, मैंने लिस्ट देखा, बड़ा आनंद आया। 30 भाई बहनें योग की दीक्षा लेकर के तैयार हो रहे हैं और मुंबई में हर जगह योग का प्रचार प्रसार करते हैं। हम मजाक में कहते हैं कि मुंबई भोग भूमि है और भोग भूमि में ही योग की ज्यादा आवश्यकता होती है। इसमें भी बहनों ने इसमें जो सिद्धियां हासिल की है उसका मुझे विशेष आनंद है, क्योंकि मैं भगवान स्वामीनारायण का साधु हूँ, फिर भी मानता हूँ कि अध्यात्म की रक्षा और अध्यात्म और संस्कृति का प्रचार प्रसार बहनों ज्यादा कर सकती है, पुरुष भी कर सकते हैं, लेकिन आप उसमें लीडिंग है। हमारे शास्त्रों ने लग्न विधि में जब मोक्ष का फेरा आता है तो स्त्री आगे हो जाती है। तो आपका योग में इतना उत्साह देकर के मुझे भारत के लिए आशा के दीपक विशेष प्रज्वलित होते दिख रहे हैं। भारत विश्व गुरु है, वो अपनी अनूठी अध्यात्म विरासत से है, योग से है, और आप भारतीय संस्कृति की बहुत बड़ी सेवा कर रहे हैं। दीक्षांत समारोह में उपस्थित सभी को मैं हृदय से अभिनंदन देता हूँ। और साथ ही साथ सर दिलेश जी ने जो योग पर बुक लिखी है उसका ओपनिंग भी हो रहा है, उसके लिए भी मेरी शुभकामनाएं। आइए हम सब मिलकर के भारत की शान को उज्जवल बनाए। बड़ी मेहनत के बाद हमें आज़ादी मिली है। उस आज़ादी की रक्षा सिर्फ साइंस टेक्नोलॉजी से नहीं होगी, सिर्फ भौतिक विकास से नहीं होगी, आध्यात्मिक विकास से होगी। वो सेवा हम सब मिलकर के करेंगे। अस्तु, धन्यवाद, जय स्वामीनारायण।
जिस तरह से आप सबको बताया कि मैं दिलेश सर आप सभी सच में बहुत नसीबदार हो। एसटीयूपी कैंपस का वीडियो किसने देखा है? हम जो रिट्रीट करने वाले थे, आपको पता है अहमदाबाद में हम एक रिट्रीट करने वाले थे, लेकिन वो कोई कारण से कैंसिल हो गया, ये सब कुछ कोरोना के कारण। तो वो ऐसे ऑल ओवर वर्ल्ड में 50+ कैंपस है। तो हम आपको बोलते हैं जो आज सभी टीचर को मैं एक सबसे बेस्ट अपॉर्चुनिटी देने वाला हूँ कि आप कोई भी सिटी में चले जाओ और 30 एकड़ मिनिमम इतने अच्छे जोरदार कैंपस जहाँ पर सिर्फ चाहिए राइट पर्सन जो दिल से भी कुछ करना चाहता हो और जिसके साथ स्किल भी हो। तो हम वो भी एक अपॉर्चुनिटी देने वाले हैं। खास करके ये जो स्वामी जी है अहमदाबाद में, गुजरात में, आप गूगल पे एसटीयूपी गुरुकुल लिखना, मोदी जी सबसे पहले पीएम बने, उसके बाद में गुजरात गए तो ये स्वामी जी के आशीर्वाद लेने के लिए, जो अभी स्वामी जी ने ब्लेसिंग दिया। कोई भी फेमस पर्सन हो या कोई भी हो तो सबसे पहले वो स्वामी जी के पास आशीर्वाद लेने जाते हैं, तो ऐसा उनका नाम है। लेकिन जैसे ही बात आती है यहाँ पर योगा की, स्पिरिचुअलिटी, तो कितने भी बिजी हो हमारे लिए डायरेक्टली रेडी रहते हैं कि आप सपोर्ट बोलो क्या चाहिए, हम रेडी है। हमारे ये जो दूसरे स्वामी जी है, पुरानी स्वामी करके हैं, तो उनकी हॉस्पिटल में सर्जरी चल रही थी, बहुत बीमार थे, सबसे एल्डर है। लेकिन फिर भी जैसे ही दिलेश सर जी ने मुझे एक दिन पहले मतलब बताया कि हम स्वामी जी के ब्लेसिंग ले, हमारे 30 स्टूडेंट ग्रेजुएट हो रहे हैं, उनकी एक न्यू जर्नी की शुरुआत हो रही है। तो जब कोई यूएस जाना चाहता है, कोई गुजरात जाना चाहता है, तो कोई कहीं पे भी कैंपस में जुड़ना चाहते हैं तो हम स्वामी जी के ब्लेसिंग ले लेते हैं। तो मैंने कॉल किया, ये सिचुएशन होने के कारण, पूरा दिन हॉस्पिटल में रहने के कारण भी स्वामी जी ने स्पेशली ब्लेसिंग का वीडियो हमारे लिए भेजा। तो वी आर रियली सो ग्रेटफुल। और जब भी आप कभी गुजरात जाओ या कोई कैंपस की विजिट करनी हो तो मुझे जरूर बताना, तो आपको ज़्यादा आइडिया आएगा। तो खास स्वामी जी ने जिस तरह से ब्लेसिंग भेजे, उसी तरह हमारी भी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है कि स्वामी जी की तबीयत अच्छी नहीं है, सर्जरी पेन चल रही है, तो हम भी 1 मिनट आप सब आंखें बंद करोगे, हम सब आंखें बंद करेंगे और हम दिल से प्रे करते हैं कि स्वामी जो यहाँ पर इंडिया में और आउट ऑफ कंट्री में हर एक जगह पर बहुत अच्छा कंट्रीब्यूशन कर रहे हैं, सेवा कर रहे हैं, तो उनकी तबीयत जल्दी से जल्दी अच्छी हो और वापस से हम कंटिन्यूसली कुछ ना कुछ अच्छा कर पाए। तो सभी अपनी आंखें बंद करेंगे, प्लीज क्लोज योर आइज। सबसे पहले कई बार हमें ऐसा लगता है कि हमारी लाइफ में बहुत प्रॉब्लम है, लेकिन हम आज दिल से भगवान का शुक्रिया अदा करते हैं, थैंक यू सो मच, कि उनको प्रे करते हैं, थैंक यू करते हैं कि उनके कारण हम एक बहुत अच्छी ज़िंदगी जी रहे हैं। बहुत सारे लोगों का टाइम एंटरटेनमेंट में पूरा हो जाता है, उनकी पूरा दिन एंटरटेनमेंट में पूरा हो जाता है, उनकी पूरी लाइफ एंटरटेनमेंट में पूरी हो जाती है। लेकिन हम भगवान को थैंक यू बोलते हैं कि हमें कुछ ऐसा दिया है, योगा की फैमिली, कुछ ऐसी स्किल कि जिसके कारण हम दूसरों की लाइफ को टच कर पाते हैं, दूसरों की लाइफ को इंस्पायर कर पाते हैं। आज जब स्वामी जी हम सबके लिए हेल्प करने के लिए रेडी है, तब हम स्वामी जी को दिल से प्रे करते हैं, हम भगवान को दिल से प्रे करते हैं। आप जो भी जिनको मानते हो उनसे दिल से प्रे करो कि स्वामी जी की तबीयत अच्छी नहीं है तो उनकी तबीयत जल्दी से जल्दी अच्छी हो। आपकी प्रे डेफिनेटली वर्क करेगी और स्वामी जी की तबीयत जल्दी से जल्दी अच्छी होगी। अभी जस्ट 30 सेकंड के लिए एकदम आंखें बंद और हम दिल से एक बार प्रेयर करेंगे। थैंक यू सो मच, थैंक यू सो मच। सच में जिस तरह से आप हमारे साथ जुड़े हुए हो, भले ही बहुत लॉन्ग टाइम के बाद आते हैं, जैसे अभी श्रद्धा दीदी लॉन्ग टाइम के बाद आए हैं, लेकिन जिस तरह से आते हैं जुड़ते हैं सच में बहुत अच्छा लगता है करने के लिए। और उसके बाद में सर जी रेडी, दिलेश सर रेडी? हाँ ओके, चलो अभी तैयारी हो रही है। सिर्फ मैं जितनी भी उंगली करूँ उतनी आपको क्लेप करनी है, बराबर? तो आप झाँक रहे हो, मुझे पता चला है। इंसर्ट अगर ऐसे करूँ तो 2 क्लेप, ऐसे करूँ तो 3 क्लेप, बराबर? रेडी? थोड़ा वो शरीर ऐसे होगा तभी आप झाँकोगे। ओके चलो, एक साथ आवाज आनी चाहिए। योगा में तो सब एक्टिव होते हैं, ये 4 दीदी तो एक्टिव। ओके ओके चलो, सबका ध्यान। अभी अगर मैं एक उंगली करूंगा तो 2 क्लेप करनी है, 2 उंगली करूँ तो 3 क्लेप करनी है, 3 उंगली करूँ तो 4 क्लेप करनी है, और 4 उंगली करूँ तो 1 भी क्लेप नहीं करनी है। अभी देखो, जो भी करेगा उसकी तरफ देख के जोरदार हंसना है, बराबर? रेडी? समझ गए ना? एक लास्ट ट्राई देता हूँ, लास्ट ट्राई। मिले सर जी रेडी ना? रेडी? सीधा अभी आपका ओके, लास्ट ट्राई देखो, फुल झाको इंडिया, झाको झाके दुनिया, हमें क्या? ओके चलो, रेडी? स्मार्ट लोग बैठे हुए थे जो क्लिप ही नहीं कर रहे थे। मैंने देखा यहाँ पर एक सर जी ने। ओके सो फाइनली हम स्टार्ट करते हैं आज का लास्ट एंड सबसे मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट।
ओके, वंडरफुल गेम, मजा आया सबको। नाउ आई वुड लाइक टू इनवाइट दिलेश सर फॉर द ग्रेजुएशन सेरेमनी। जो फ्रेश ग्रेजुएट्स हैं हमारे अष्टांग एंड प्राइमरी से।
हेलो एवरीवन,
Yes, so now we are going forward towards second event. जिसके लिए काफी सारे लोग आए हैं. Most of us we have done online course. First of all, congratulations to all the graduates, those who have completed our yoga teachers training course as well as yoga therapy and naturology teachers training course. So clap for everyone. They all have done very nicely. The studies and everything, although it was online, but it doesn't feel like we did online course. The studies they have done was very good, and you can see their certificates also. All have them secured minimum A grade. So you can understand how dedicatedly, sincerely they all have studied. So once again, the last time, the big clap for all our teachers. So now I would like to, before going for certification ceremony, I would like to say something for the teachers, those who are going to become yoga teachers. So it's a graduate speech to all of them. It's a message from university to all our teachers. Those who know the shloka, they can chant with me. Nirmala moha jita sanga dosha adhyatma nitya vinirutta kama द्वन्द्वैर्विमुक्ताः सुखदुःखसंज्ञे गच्छन्त्यमूढाः पदमव्ययन्तः. Now we'll chant this shloka, repeat after me, okay? Then I'll tell you the meaning of this. Because this shloka is about, it talks about the qualities of the champion. And we all are the champions now, okay? So one after one, repeat after me. Nirmana moha, jita sanga dosha, अध्यात्म नित्या विनिवृत्त कामाः द्वन्द्वैर्विमुक्ताः सुख दुःख सौम्ये गच्छन्त्यमूढा पदमव्ययन्तः. The qualities of a champions are persistence, but without pride. They have ambition, they have passion, but without attachment. Champions aim to fulfill their goal, but are not desire-ridden. They are free from the dualities of life. What are the dualities of life? Profit and loss, success and failure, pleasant and unpleasant. Because this is our part of our life. These are the qualities that make a champion successful. And this is what we all have to imbibe in us. I am sure all of you are champions and will remain so throughout your life. As we know, yoga is a subjective science. Therefore, practicing before teaching is absolutely necessary. You cannot teach without your self-practice. Today, you all are going to become a certified yoga teacher. But your self-practice should not stop. Today, plus along with this certification ceremony we have came to inspire you, to motivate you to start your journey as an independent yoga teacher, as well as to explore yourself through yoga and climb to the ladders of success. Only through self-exploration you will be able to swim the river of life and reach the other side. After you have explored yourself, help others to progress in their own journeys. The way you have developed yourself physically, mentally, emotionally, spiritually, now time has come to help others and develop them also the way you have done it. You are now authorized and certified to take up this responsibility to make people fit physically, mentally, emotionally and spiritually. And I am very much sure you will do so with utter sincerity and wholeheartedness. Remember friends, a dependent mind is always pathetic, whereas independent mind is energetic. So free your mind. Don't stick to any particular thing and don't keep any pessimistic views or inferior thoughts about yourself or about others. Your potential and credibility as a yoga teacher has now already been evaluated. Therefore, you are going to become the yoga teacher and already you are going to get certified now. After this, you don't need any other person or authority to assess your credibility. Now don't look back and doubt about your ability. This certificate is a proof that you are capable of doing anything in the field of yoga. Love your goal. You should have a goal. Surrender yourself completely to the process of fulfilling the goal. And then become one with that goal the way we are one with our breath. Then whatever challenges and obstacles comes in front of you, you will cross them successfully. Surround yourself with the people who bring out the best in you, not who reduce your enthusiasm. Think pure, positive thoughts only. Speak pure words only. Do pure deeds only, and you will be forever be delighted and happy. Listen to your heart. Follow the righteous path courageously. Don't think twice if your motive is pure, and surely victory will be yours. Fix your mind upon your goal. Power all your energy into it, and be in the present moment without worrying about the past or the future. And this is going to lead you to the success. Dare to bring the change. Be creative and innovative. Discover new things. Don't allow these qualities in you to die, and don't become a mechanical person. It is said in the Gita, Yada yada hi dharmasya glanir bhavati bharata abhyuthanam dharmasya tadatmanam srijamyam. Whenever troubles come, problems come, don't get despair. This is an opportunity for you to emerge, to bring something new. And we have a live example of Mahabharata. Whatever, as a life we have lot of challenge, like we have suffered last year, Corona. We take the inspiration from the Gita, do something new. Take this opportunity to do something new. I tried, I applied this principle on myself, that's why I can tell you, it gives a very new and fresh experience. I opted that time because classes were closed, everything was closed, but I started to think about the time of doing writing a book and something. So nobody, whatever big problems will come, challenges will come, but they will not stop you until you decide. So don't allow these problems to come on you. Take up this opportunity to bring something new, and that will be useful for the society. And so therefore, rise up and don't say this is not the end, this is the beginning of you as a yoga teacher to spread this knowledge of yoga, the pure knowledge of yoga to the maximum people. So now, after this, take up these thoughts, and we will now start our certification ceremony. I will request Sanjay sir to come and to hand over the certificates to our teachers. Come Sanjay sir, he is also very shy. He only loves to talk only, that's it. Okay. Manjeet is there. So I will announce one by one the teachers, and I will explain a brief about our teachers, because as you can see they are very interesting profiles they have. And we all have seen, even Swamiji also impressed by looking at the profile, and he has specifically mentioned the female teachers. Of course we have more than 95% are the female yoga teachers also. He also got very much impressed, although they have a lot of qualifications, still they are passionate to do yoga teachers training course, and that is very credible. So I will start with the batches of Ashtanga and Advanced Asana students. Let's welcome. Yeah, I think it's still not this. Okay, I'll explain the things. So let's welcome first Sunita J. She loves traveling and interacting with people. She believes in learning the new things, and she loves cooking and dancing. She's been BCom and MBA, and she has done 2 courses from us. Advanced Asana Teachers Training course as well as Ashtanga Yoga Teachers Training course. Congratulations, Sunita, and have a big clap for her. Have a big clap for Sunita. Now from there, our next student is Pratiksha Satish Lange. Come, Pratiksha. She is very supportive and genuine human being. She always tries to do different things which is good for our society. She conducts yoga classes associated with the Goshala for social activity. She is a BA, DDA and Diploma in Yoga Shastra. Congratulations, Pratiksha. Congratulations, Pratiksha. Now after that, the next is Ravindra More. He is an engineer, artist, does oil and acrylic paintings, portraits, rangoli on water. He loves to sing and play keyboard, harmony, learning new things, making friends, love nature, love yoga, and being a lifestyle student. That's why he is our youngest student. Congratulations, Ravindra ji. Now our next teacher is Manisha Mehta. She loves cooking. Manisha, okay, yes. She loves cooking. She loves exploring the nature, especially over the hills. Her dream is to travel around the world and get herself flipped in amazing poses, and that you can see in her FB post and Insta also. She loves to talk with the friends. And she has a BSc with chemistry and IGNOU early childhood and care education plus diploma in yoga education from Yoga Niketan. Many congratulations, Manisha. Congratulations. Now the next is Madhav. He is not there. He is from Mumbai, so you cannot come with the currently. But about him, he always seeks for the root cause of any problem, so that he can try to bring radical changes in people's life. He is an hobbyist photographer and filmmaker. He has done BMM and Yoga Instructor course from SVESA, and he has done Ashtanga Yoga Teacher Training course from university. So congratulations and big clap for Madhav. After that, the next is again Sushil Kakabul. He is also from Mumbai, but he couldn't come today. So he wants to keep practicing and keep spreading yoga in the best way he can. He follows yoga philosophy in his daily routine. He loves traveling, listening music, reading books, etc. He has done bachelor's in computer application, plus he has done various yoga qualification also earlier, diploma in yoga education, diploma in yoga therapy, and from here he has done Ashtanga Yoga Teachers Training course. So have a big clap for Sushil also. Yes. From there, some of you might have seen this beautiful rangoli. Okay, this beautiful rangoli is made by Savita Gaikwad. Come Savita. Savita, she loves yoga and meditation. She loved to learn new things and loved to spending time with the ashram Adivasi Padas. She wants to give others lot of love and happiness. She loves planting, cooking, reading, classical dance and singing. She is good in Sanskar Bharati Rangoli. Those haven't seen, they can see how Sanskar Bharati Rangoli is. And she has done it within 15 minutes, I guess. 15 to 20 minutes. So that much expertise she has. And she believes, जब हम खुद पे लव करते हैं तो हमें और भी हाथ में लगता है. So wonderful thoughts she has. Plus she has done MBA in Hospital Management, Nursing Diploma in Ayurvedic Acupressure. She has done earlier Yoga Alliance 200 hours teacher training course, Patanjali Advanced Yoga course, QCL Level 1 and Level 2 Ashtanga Vinyasa, and from here Ashtanga Vinyasa Yoga teachers training course. So many congratulations for Kavita. Next, I was talking about Sohaila Akbar. She is also not there today. She is being she's keen on bringing about positive changes in the lives of the others. She is an avid trader and loves traveling. And she is associated with us as a yoga teacher with university. She has taken many classes. Very active person. So have a clap for Sohaila also. She has done BA in English, ECC, previous yoga education, Hatha Yoga. She has already done Ashtanga Yoga teachers training course, but here also she again did the Ashtanga Yoga teachers training course. That is her dedication. So big congratulations to Sohaila also. After that, our next student is Kavita Gupta. Right now also she is not there. She loves dancing, singing, traveling, love to meet new people, make friends, exchange ideas and learn the new thing. She has a BCA, MCA and she also has done Yoga, Ashtanga Yoga Vinyasa teachers training course from us and plus Yoga instructor course of Vyasa University, Bangalore. So big congratulations for Kavita. Have a clap for, don't stop your clapping. Although they are not there, so our clap will reach out to them. Now next. You have seen her from throughout the starting point. Our host currently Priyanka Srivastava. She is a postgraduate in microbiology with diploma in computers. She is a healer Reiki master, artist, singer, love to read, write, making friends, admiring nature, yoga and meditation. She has an MSc in microbiology, advanced in diploma in computers. She has also done diploma in yoga education, DHS from Soul Healing, India. And from here she has done Ashtanga Vinyasa teachers training course. Big congratulations for Priyanka. Congratulations, and about her, as you see her beautiful, she is doing hosting, but she hasn't prepared at all. She just came today at 4 p.m. and all this she has done very nicely. Congratulations, and she has done very nice hosting. Congratulations, and clap for Priyanka once again. Now next, you have seen her dance just today. Bhavisha Bajaj. She is a yoga instructor since 3 years. She believes yoga has changed her life a lot, being a housewife. She wished to open her own yoga institutes to involve young generation in yoga and help changes in their life too. She has a Patanjali Yoga teachers training course, Ayurveda Yoga teachers training course, and a very sweet person in our batch. So many congratulations to Bhavisha. Congratulations, Bhavisha. Along with her friends, she has called from Pune. So they have come for her. So clap for their family members. So much love for Bhavisha. Congratulations. Now next, our second host of today's program, Sindhuja Agade. She is a person who is positive about every aspect of life. She likes to watch live theatre plays, comedy, music and dance shows. In her free time, she enjoys reading comic books and practicing photography. She has done Bachelor's of Engineering and certified ISO 9001 lead auditor. She has a diploma yoga education, and from here she has done Ashtanga Yoga teachers training course. So big congratulations for Sindhuja. Congratulations. And congratulations. And she also done very nicely hosting. Along with them, they all are doing on the spot hosting. So congratulations to Sindhuja. After that, the next is Deepa. You are seeing her continuously on the books. She is managing the book. So congratulations for that also. So we are like family. Everybody can do anyone's work. So that's very nice. And you can see her creativity. She has done very beautiful video that we will see later on. So Deepa, she is a very proud homemaker, very creative, good dancer, excellent in fueling skills, loves singing, trekking and cooking. She has done commerce graduate, fashion designing, ITC, ECC, ED from IGNOU, diploma in yoga education and from Now the next, after Deepa, the next is very energetic person of the batch, Rakhi Murkhe. Have a clap for Rakhi. She is associated with Yog Vidya Niketan and Nisargopchar Kendra Gurli Kanchan from last 15 years. She got first rank in Yogasana at the age of 13. She is joyful attitude, love long driving, underwater sports like snorkeling, ocean walker. She has an MCom and she has a diploma in yoga education, and from here she has an Ashtanga Yoga teachers training course. So big congratulations for Rakhi. Congratulations. Now from there, you have another performance along with the Bhavisha. Do a little. Usha Makhija. She likes cooking, music, spiritual stories, comedy shows. She likes to do yoga and meditation daily. She is Bachelor of Arts and she has done from here Ashtanga Yoga teachers training course. So big congratulations for Usha and for beautiful dance she has done. And have a clap for her family also. Very energetic family, very active family. Good support. Congratulations to your family also. Now from here, you are seeing the one person roaming here and there in the camera. She is done video shooting of whole program. Rashmi Padodekar. She is fond of interacting with people and learning about their life experiences. Her motto in life is to always stay happy and keep others happy. She has an MBA in HR, diploma in yoga education, diploma in yoga therapy. She is also associated with us as a teacher in university. So many, and she has done from here Ashtanga Yoga teachers training course. Many congratulations to Rashmi. We can able to see the video. This video is going to be uploaded on YouTube. It's because of her, because she is continuously doing the shooting. So along with the Sunita also has doing both of them. Congratulations. Have a clap for Rashmi and Sunita also. There is another student, Kavita Kesharia. She is from Mulund. She is also not there. She is a founder at Arogya Yoga Institute and Nutrition Center in Mulund. She is a clinical dietitian and nutritionist, naturopathy and acupuncture practitioner, yoga therapy specialist by profession. She conducts diploma certificate courses in yoga, meditation and nutrition. She has an MSc Diet and Nutrition, PGDYT from SVASA, Yoga Philosophy, DNYS, CYAIYS in Yoga. So many qualifications, but still she has done from here Ashtanga Yoga teachers training course. So many congratulations to Kavita Kesharia. Now from here, you are seeing another person along with Deepa at the books counter, Sonali Milin Theta. In our batch, we used to call her Sonali K. That result will come to her later on. She is always ready to learn new things. She loves to sing a song, and already we have enjoyed her singing and playing harmonia. She is Diploma in Industrial Electronics, Classical Music till Praveshika Purna, Light Music till Geeta Madhama and from Gandharva Vidyalaya, Diploma in Education, Diploma in Yoga Therapy and Naturopathy, and from here she has done Ashtanga Yoga Teachers Training course. So big congratulations for Sonali. Congratulations. Have a big clap for Sonali. This is the reason why she called her Sonali K, because we have another Sonali. So we used to call her Sonali S. So Sonali, she is a proud homemaker. She loves traveling, spending time with the nature, spiritual meditation and indulge in culinary arts. She is Masters in Commerce and Diploma in Education. And from here she has an Ashtanga Yoga Teachers Training course. So many congratulations for Sonali S. Congratulations Sonali. Now from there, as you see they are enjoying the music, there is a person behind the music. Today is handling Aditi Verma. Have a class for that, for keeping us alive. Aditi, she is a full systematic person. She loves teaching, driving, walkathon, marathon. She loves cooking, especially healthy and nutritious food. She is a, in short, jack of all. She is a postgraduate education BA, PGDCA, Diploma in Yoga Education, and from here she has done Ashtanga Yoga Teachers Training course. Many congratulations to Aditi. Congratulations. Yes. Now from there, we have another person, Dr. Anamika Pandey. She believes that there is no shortcut to get success. Do your work and rest live on your karma. She loves reading books, dancing, traveling, interacting with the positive people. She is trying to learn the true meaning of yoga. She is a post-graduation in life science, PhD in applied chemistry, Diploma in Yoga Shastra, certification in Yoga Therapy National Healing course. And from there she has done Ashtanga Yoga Teachers Training course as well as Yoga Therapy and Natural Healing Teachers Training course. Many congratulations to Anamika. Now from there, you just have listened to her song. Rita Soni, she is a person who is positive about every aspect of life. She loves fitness related things. She is a national level gymnast, loves singing. She wants to work for the country to give back to society in whichever way she can. She won around 100 plus certificates in school, singing, debate, sports, etc., written stories, poems, also some of which published in a local newspaper too. She is a casual comparer at All India Radio, MSc, MPhil in Botany, Diploma in Marketing, Diploma in Yoga Education as well as from Mumbai University. And from here she has done Ashtanga Yoga Teachers Training course. So big congratulations to Rita. Congratulations Rita. We have another person, she is not there today. Actually she is from Jaipur, so typical Suman Devi. She is a person who likes doing new and different things. She believes that there is no age to learn. Whenever human being can learn anything. She likes to stay fit, she loves reading books and listening to the music. Post-graduation is Hindi, Master of Education, and she has done from here Ashtanga Yoga Teachers Training course. Have a big clap for Suman Devi also. From then, in the beginning we all have seen the beautiful demonstration of asana by Santosh, and her son also has done very nicely. So Santosh is a homemaker with kind-hearted person, doesn't give up easily in the life. That is her mantra. She enjoys to live life with positive energy. She believes in forgive and forgets. She likes light music and passionate about yogic practices. She has been state level table tennis player and casual competitor at All India Radio. MA, BA, MCom, BCom, Bachelor of Journalism and Mass Communication, Diploma in Yoga Teachers Training course, and almost she has done diploma in yoga therapy national living course. And from here she has done Ashtanga Yoga teachers training course. Many congratulations to Santosh. Now from here, surname you might have seen this surname before also. So he is the husband of Priyanka. So come Priyanka only take up Ashish. Ashish is a corporate lawyer and company secretary by profession, and he has his own consultancy and very much occupied 24 hours. But still I don't know how he completed this course, but successfully he completed this course. So many congratulations to Ashish, and they will collect on his behalf. This is our first pair, husband and wife who have done teacher training course from university, so that is memorable to us also. From there, now from here onwards our therapy students will start. Kanal Pathak, this is our first batch of therapy. From there she has done. She is an assistant professor in yoga. She believes that if we are sincere and honest in our work and attitude towards life, we will have no regrets about anything when the time to leave the world. She is Bachelor in Computer Science, certificate course in Yoga from D.Y. Patil University, Diploma in PTC, PITS KTC from Yog Sadhana Mandir, BA and MA Yoga Shastra, and from here she has done Yoga Therapy and Natural Healing Teachers Training course. So big congratulations to Kanal. This is our first therapy class, all good to remember. From here, the next, Darshana Gavale. Come. She likes to learn and gain more knowledge related to yoga and health. She is a BCom certified course in yoga, certification in kids yoga, BCom for Pilates instructor, certification in functional training, and from here she has done certificate course in yoga therapy and natural healing teachers training course. So many congratulations to Darshana. This is our first student with Kara. Yes. Now come then. Shruti Mestri, she is not here. She is passionate and goal-driven, humble, creative, good management skills. She loves dancing, music, reading, trekking, exploring the nature. She is MBA in Healthcare, PG Diploma in Clinical Research, PG Diploma in Analysis, BSc in Microbiology, certified ISO 9001 lead auditor, Lean Six Sigma Green Belt. She is YSC from SVASA, Primordial Sound Meditation Level 123, Prani Killer, Cellular Healing from Silva International, and from there she has done certificate course in Yoga Therapy and National Healing Teachers Training course. So have a big clap for Shruti also. We have Dr. Astha Milani. She loves to learn new things that help her improve her practice, especially in homeopathy and yoga therapy. She is a firm believer of determination. Is nothing without dedication and hard work. Traveling, listening Salim songs, and once again we should clap her because in this Corona time she has served many Corona patients also. So have a big clap for that also to Dr. Astha. So many congratulations to Dr. Astha. As you can able to see, every batch we have one of the family members from Dr. Astha Bhavesh Oshra's family. Very soon the whole family is going to be a part of Gurukul. It's good to see. From then, the next is Jyotsna Gaturi. She is very sincere and dedicated and very silent. That's why I asked her to describe yourself. No, she's very silent, calm person, but very hardworking. She is done MSc, B.Ed, CTED qualified, and from here she has done yoga therapy and natural healing teachers training course. So many congratulations to Jyotsna. Now from them you are seeing again one person behind the stage. Continuously giving me the certificate. That is Manjit Kaur Thapar. She takes each day as it comes and try to make it better than yesterday. She runs a boutique, AKS Designs. She likes to listen music, reading motivational books. She is BHSC Textile and Clothing, Diploma in Yoga Education, and many congratulations that she has done from here. Certificate course in yoga therapy and nationally teachers training course. Many congratulations, Manjit. Many congratulations. So
सबसे पहले स्टार्टिंग में आके कंटिन्यूसली वॉलेंटियरिंग कर रहे थे और यहाँ पर हम सब तो आराम से बैठे हुए हैं, लेकिन मंजिल दीदी को मैं देख रहा हूँ तभी से खड़े होके कंटिन्यूसली एक बार जोरदार तालियां।
I would like to invite all the volunteers. Yes, Setuja, Priyanka, Aditi, yes, Manisha, Manjeet, Rashmi. Yes. Do come. I will miss some of the names, but do come. Even you have touched the certificate, do come. Deepa, come. Yes, Asa Santosh husband is supported very well. Come, Santosh, come. Yes. Even Rashmi, Sunita also come. Okay, Sunita बाद में आओ. Okay. सुनीता आप स्मृति को दे दो. अभी कम स्वरा कम रंगोली मेकर कम स्वरा कम वेरी यस सुनीता कम सुनीता किसी को दे दो रवि यस कम all of them had volunteered this program be able to make it peaceful and satisfactory. Even Manjit's daughter, come. She also has been there. Come. Yes, I think I will miss. Forgive me if I miss. Rakhi Sunai, come. Almost everybody was engaged. Yes. Even Usha and Bhavisha, they have performed very well. Come, Usha, Bhavisha. Almost all teachers are coming. Congratulations to all. Yes. And now from those who have came late, all the teachers, those who have completed the course, all of you come. Astha, Rajendra ji, chalo, Kanan. Yes. Chalo, Darshan, everyone, Pratiksha, everyone come. And we will have a beautiful song to all of them. All of you come. Or anybody left down? Come.
We want to tell you
Yeah.
congratulations and celebrations. We want to tell you how blessed you presence of your loved ones to celebrate this special day. So come, let's celebrate.
Take the certificate with you so that it is photo shoot. Yeah. Certificate. Bring the certificate with you. Certificate लेके आओ. Certificate front.
We want to join you on this lucky day.
हाँ.
Congratulations.
haven't closed yet. So yeah, Abhishek
Thank you.
Yes, friends, wait, we haven't closed yet. Yeah, photo shoot of time. So now there is everyone settle down because we all have become yoga teachers now. So everybody now relax and sit. Okay. Before going on the 9th floor, we have snacks and sweets. So take it that and mango you can leave. On the table there it is there. And plus there is something wonderful thing, because as we know Sanjay sir has done very wonderful thing in the Gurukul. He has shown the profiles and certificates and results to Swamiji, and Swamiji is very much impressed. And he has given Sanjay sir a lot of things. So I would like to invite Sanjay sir, because we just had very brief introduction about him. Let me talk about him little detail now. He is being a very young age. He has been a founder and CEO of 3 international organizations. One is a university, another is a Gurukul Club and Gurukul Productions, as well as Gurukul Kids. There are many he is in lined up, so he is already updated over there. And this is the first Gurukul where all the authority given to the non-Swami. Means if you notice, Ahmedabad, Hyderabad, everything is the head of every Gurukul is managed by the Swamiji. But this is the first Gurukul which is manned not by the Swami, because as a Gurukul Parampara there is a restriction where male and female could not come. This is the first setup where males and females both can practice and do the course. And that's why they have appointed Sanjay sir to manage the whole Gurukul. So I would like to invite him now, and he has a surprise and a gift from Gurukul to all of you.
थैंक यू सो मच सर जी। एंड जितने भी टीचर हैं दिलेश सर पर ट्रस्ट रखने के लिए, गुरुकुल में जुड़ने के लिए और सर्टिफिकेट कोर्स करने के लिए आप सभी का तहे दिल से शुक्रिया। थैंक यू सो मच। आप सबके लिए एक बार जोरदार तालियां, जोरदार। यस, आपने अपना ट्रस्ट दिखाया, टाइम दिया, जिनके कारण दिलेश सर ने इतने सालों से जो मेहनत की है वो आपको कुछ सिखा पाए। अभी जिस तरह से आपको पता है ऑलरेडी टाइम बहुत हो चुका है, तो मैं जो भी यहाँ पर आपको बोलने वाला हूँ उसकी डिटेल्स बाद में हम कभी डिस्कस करेंगे, क्योंकि अभी पेट में भी सबके चूहे दौड़ रहे हैं। बट इन शॉर्ट, जितने भी आप कोई भी सिटी में चले जाओ, कोई भी स्टेट में चले जाओ, कोई भी कंट्री में चले जाओ, हमारे स्वामीनारायण टेम्पल है, स्वामीनारायण गुरुकुल है। फाइनली यहाँ पर इतना सक्सेसफुल सेटअप करने के बाद हमने डिसाइड किया है कि हमारे साथ जो एक लाइफ टाइम की जर्नी में जुड़ना चाहता है, मतलब जिसको है कि मुझे योगा में कुछ बहुत बड़ा करना है लेकिन सपोर्ट नहीं है, जिसको है कि मुझे कुछ बहुत बड़ा करना है लेकिन मनी नहीं है, जिसको है कि मुझे बहुत कुछ करना है लेकिन किस तरह से स्टेप बाय स्टेप में सिखाऊं मुझे पता नहीं है, जिसको है कि मुझे करना ही है योगा में लेकिन मार्केटिंग कैसे करूं वो पता नहीं है। अभी यहाँ पर एक मोस्ट इंपोर्टेंट चीज मैं बता देता हूँ। जब भी हम किसी लाइफ में कंट्रीब्यूट करते हैं, जैसे अभी आप योगा टीचर बन गए हो सभी, लेकिन बिजनेस की 2 साइड होती है। एक होती है इमोशनल साइड, दूसरी होती है लॉजिकल साइड। जितना भी आपने सीखा, जो आप लोगों की लाइफ को ट्रांसफॉर्म करना चाहते हो, वो सभी हो गया इमोशनल पार्ट। अभी मैं सिर्फ अगर सोचूं कि मुझे ये सब कुछ करना है लेकिन मैं लॉजिकल पार्ट ना सोचूं तो ये सेटअप स्टार्ट ही नहीं हो सकता। आप सब मुंबई से ही हो तो आपको पता है कि जब ये ग्राउंड फ्लोर टू 9th फ्लोर का एम्बियंस है तो उसमें खर्चा कितना होगा, रेंट कितना होगा, बहुत सारी चीजें। लेकिन ऐसा जरूरी नहीं है कि आपके पास खुद के पैसे है तो ही आप बड़ा कर सकते हो। मैं गुजरात में जामनगर सिटी है, उससे एक 500 विलेज का एक स्मॉल छोटा सा विलेज है, वहां से बिलोंग कर रहा हूँ। मैंने अपना स्कूल भी गांव में किया है, सब कुछ किया है। बाद में गुरुकुल की जर्नी की शुरुआत हुई आफ्टर 8th। तो ऐसा भी जरूरत नहीं है कि आपके पास पैसा है, सपोर्ट है, ये है तो ही आप सब कुछ कर सकते हो। लेकिन आप कोई इतना बड़े लेवल पे कुछ करना चाहते हो, यही नाम श्री स्वामीनारायण गुरुकुल द योगा यूनिवर्सिटी के साथ आप जुड़ के अपनी एक न्यू जर्नी की शुरुआत करना चाहते हो, आपका जो भी स्टूडियो का नाम है वो तो रहेगा ही, लेकिन आपको है कि नहीं मुझे इनकी भी जरूरत है। चाहे वो आप कोई ट्रीट करोगे तो आपको आइडिया आ जाएगा, चाहे वो आपकी क्रेडिबिलिटी बिल्ड करनी हो। फॉर एग्जांपल अभी आप ब्रांड न्यू हो तो आपको क्वेश्चन होगा कि ओके भाई चलो योगा टीचर तो बन गए, लेकिन अपने आप को प्रूव कैसे करना है कि आई एम द बेस्ट। लोग आपसे जुड़ेंगे क्यों? आप क्लास की थीम क्या रखोगे? फाइनेंस कैसे अरेंज करोगे? अभी आपको स्टूडियो बनाना है, लेकिन स्टूडियो बनाने के लिए क्या करोगे? यहाँ पर आपको इतना सपोर्ट मिलेगा कि आप कहोगे कि मुझे अपना थाने में स्टूडियो बनाना है, लेकिन स्टूडियो मुझे इस तरह से बनाना है कि मैं रेंट नहीं दे सकती, मुझे प्लेस चाहिए जहाँ पर मैं फुल्ली डेडिकेशन से काम करने के लिए रेडी हूँ। तो हम आपको उसमें हेल्प करेंगे। हमारे गुजराती लोग जो बिल्डर होते हैं वहाँ पर आपको एक राइट हम सर्वे करके एक प्लेस डिसाइड करेंगे और वहाँ पर आप अपनी न्यू जर्नी की शुरुआत करोगे। आपको दूसरा कोई भी सपोर्ट चाहिए, इन सब बहुत सारे पॉइंट है, आप आराम से रीड करना। और जिसको क्वेरी है, क्वेश्चन है, एक लॉन्ग जर्नी स्टार्ट करना चाहते हैं, उसके लिए आप ऑलरेडी पार्ट 2 ही अगर जुड़ते भी नहीं हो ये प्रोजेक्ट में, आपने ऑलरेडी कोर्स किया, यानी कि श्री स्वामीनारायण गुरुकुल के दरवाजे आपके लिए हमेशा खुले ही है। दिलेश सर हमेशा लाइफ टाइम आपको हेल्प करने के लिए, सपोर्ट करने के लिए रेडी है। लेकिन पर्टिकुलर ये प्रोजेक्ट में अगर जुड़ना चाहते हो तो मुझे आप कभी भी कांटेक्ट कर सकते हो, हम पर्सनल एक मीटिंग करेंगे और मैं सारे पॉइंट आपको एक्सप्लेन करूंगा। थैंक यू सो मच। सच में इतना अच्छा लग रहा है आपसे मिलके जुड़ के। ये कोर्स कंप्लीट हो गया था लेकिन मैं किसी को भी नहीं मिला था। एक भाभी सा दीदी के साथ थोड़ा कनेक्शन था तो उनको जानता था, बाकी किसी को भी नहीं जानता था। लेकिन फाइनली आप सबके प्रेम के कारण आज एक और न्यू जर्नी की शुरुआत हुई है। थैंक यू सो मच। जय स्वामीनारायण।
Now we will have a closing prayer, Sonali. Okay, हाँ, before that,
चलिए लास्ट बट नॉट द लीस्ट बिफोर वी वाइंड अप, हमारी टीम से दीपा जी ने एक वीडियो बनाया था दिलेश सर की। इनफैक्ट हम पूरी टीम ने मिलकर वी वांटेड टू गिव आवर ग्रैटिट्यूड टू दिलेश सर, तो एक वीडियो बनाया था। सो प्लीज लेट्स वॉच दैट।
हाँ उस पर करो, अभी आने दो लोग।
कुछ पाने की हो आस पास, कोई तलवा हो जो खास खास आशाएं, हर कोशिश में हो बार बार कर दरियाओं को बार बार आशाएं, तूफानों को छीन के मंजिलों को छीन ले आशाएं।
Enhanced muscular strength and increased flexibility are the gift of Ashtanga Vinyasa primary series. Absolutely blissful experience.
Hey guys, we experienced a wonderful journey of Ashtanga. East or west, Dilesh sir is best.
Thank you so much. Let's hear Sanjay Singh for this wonderful music together. Thank you so much. Would it have been possible without you?
It's really touched me a lot. I couldn't express my emotion, but inside I teared a lot. Thank you so much for so much love and faith on me. Thank you. You all have mugged up and things and everything. It's very nice. The whole picture I can see through this 2 minutes video. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, friends.
सबसे जो मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट आज का आपका दिन याद रहे, सब हमेशा लाइफ टाइम याद रहो। इसके लिए जिसने कंट्रीब्यूशन किया है, लास्ट टाइम पे जस्ट बोल किया था कि ब्रदर पॉसिबल है, क्योंकि हमारा तो जो कैमरामैन है वो गुजरात से नहीं आ रहा है। उन्होंने कहा यस, और आप एक एक मूवमेंट को अच्छी तरह से पीछे जाके आगे जाके अलग अलग एंगल से बनाने की कितनी मास्टरी के साथ, जिन्होंने आपको आज का दिन लाइफ टाइम याद रहे, इसके लिए मेमोरेबल बनाया है। ऐसे हमारे ब्रदर के लिए जोरदार तालियां, यहाँ पर आएगा ब्रदर, जोरदार तालियां। ब्रदर की मास्टरी है, कैमरा में है फिर भी 2 शब्द बोलेंगे। आपको भी एक न्यू एक्सपीरियंस होना चाहिए ना, सच में जोरदार लास्ट मोमेंट पर, वरना कैमरा का पॉसिबल ही नहीं था।
मैं भी आता था यहाँ पे योगा सीखने। मेरी मम्मी योगा टीचर है, फिर थोड़ा लॉकडाउन में आदत छूट गई, बट यस सर के साथ भी और मैम के साथ भी बहुत अच्छा एक्सपीरियंस रहा, तो आई विल कंटिन्यू फर्दर आल्सो। थैंक यू
सो मच मैदान, थैंक यू सो मच। इनके कारण आज का आप सबका दिन मेमोरेबल बना है। और हमारे क्लिनिक के दीदी आए थे, चले गए, तो हम उनको भी याद करते हैं। अराउंड 8-9 मंथ, राइट, 8-9 मंथ से जगह बंद पड़ी थी, और वो दीदी और उनकी जो टीम थे, उन्होंने अच्छी तरह से क्लीनिंग करके बहुत मेहनत की, जिनके कारण हम आ सके और ये न्यू जर्नी स्टार्ट कर सके। तो वो दीदी को भी याद करता हूँ, और स्पेशली आज के दिन को मेमोरेबल बनाने के लिए दिलेश सर के मम्मी पापा, मातृदेवो भव पितृदेवो भव, और अभी तक लास्ट मोमेंट तक वो बेटे का प्यार, भले ही इंग्लिश मेरी तरह शायद सर को नहीं समझ में आती है, राइट सर, सर मेरी तरह ही है, लेकिन वो प्यार कि नहीं मेरा बेटा कुछ कंट्रीब्यूट कर रहा है, लोगों की लाइफ चेंज कर रहा है, उसके लिए अभी तक उनको यहाँ पर प्रेजेंस बना रही। एक बार जोरदार तालियां दिलेश सर के मम्मी पापा के लिए, और आप सब के लिए भी एक बार जोरदार तालियां। थैंक यू सो मच सर जी, ये आपके कारण सब कुछ पॉसिबल हुआ। थैंक यू सो मच।
यस, सोनाली विल स्टार्ट एंड विद क्लोजिंग प्रेयर, एंड उसके बाद हम राष्ट्रगीत करेंगे। ओके, यस।
बैठ जाइए। सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः, सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः, सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु, मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत्। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्ति। धीरे से आंखें खोलेंगे, रिलैक्स हो जाएंगे।
Thank you so much, Sonali. Can we all stand up for the Rashtra Git?